Okay, to put Plangrid on the tablet, make sure you're in the office and or connected to a Wi-Fi connection. You're going to hit the Internet Explorer icon on the bottom left of the screen, and you're going to go into your Google or the website, and you're going to go to your keyboard and you're going to just type in Plangrid and go ahead and hit enter. Hide your keyboard, and we're going to scroll down here to the Plangrid official site and scroll down a little bit, and right here you want to download to Windows, and just type download. Once you get it, the exe file you want to run, and it looks like it's going to take a few minutes, but once the app is downloaded onto the tablet and you run the exe file, it's going to install the app onto the tablet, and then you sign in just like you normally would and start syncing your files.